The Talmud, a central text in Rabbinic Judaism, plays a pivotal role in Jewish religious law and theology. It's considered the cornerstone of Jewish cultural life and a guide for daily living. But what's intriguing is that the Talmud, written nearly 5 centuries after the time of Christ, holds critical and controversial perspectives on Gentiles, non-Jews, heathens, and pagans. To understand the Talmud's views, it's not enough to look solely at the Talmud itself. A more comprehensive perspective is gained from examining Jewish encyclopedias, which provide a summary of the many rabbinic statements on various subjects. In the Talmud's discussions about Gentiles, the Jewish Encyclopedia highlights a stark differentiation between Jews and Gentiles. According to the rabbis, only Israelites are considered full-fledged humans, while Gentiles are often referred to as barbarians. This perspective extends to legal rights. Gentiles, it was believed, did not have the same rights in Jewish courts as Jews. If a Gentile